Kasepuhan Palace is a palace located in Kasepuhan Subdistrict Tumanggung, Cirebon. The meaning of every corner of this palace architecture is also known to be very historical. The front yard of the palace is surrounded by red brick walls and there is a pavilion inside. The Kasepuhan Palace is a building formerly known as the Pakungwati Palace, which was once the center of government for the Cirebon Sultan. Prai Cakrabuana resided in Dalam Agung Pakungwati, Cirebon. Kasepuhan Palace was formerly called Pakungwati Palace. The term Pakungwati comes from the name of Queen Dewi Pakungwati bin Prai Cakrabuana who married Sunan Gunung Jati. This palace has a museum that is quite complete and contains heirloom and painting from the royal collection. One of the collection is the Singa Barong train, which is the Sunan Gunung Jati golden train. The train is currently no longer used and is only taken out every once a while to be built. He died in 1549 in the Great School of Sangcipta Rasa at a very old age. His name was immortalized and glorified by the Sunan Gunung Jati lineage as the name of the palace, namely the Pakungwati Palace, which is now called the Kasepuhan Palace. The interior of this palace consists of a white main building. Inside there is a living room, bedroom, and king's throne. Historic Kasepuhan Palace contains two historical building complexes, namely Dalam Agung Pakungwati, which was founded in 1430 by Prai Cakrabuana, and the Pakungwati Palace Complex, or now called Kasepuhan Palace, which was founded by Prince Mas Zainul Arifin in 1529 AD. Siti Inggil Area, Mandep Pengiring, building seat for the Sultan attendants in the Kasepuhan Palace complex. The Kasepuhan Palace has two gates. The main gate of the Kasepuhan Palace is located to the north and the second gate is to the south of the complex. The north gate is called Kretek Pangrawit in the front of the bridge, while the south one is called Lawang Sanga. After passing Kretek Pangrawit, you will arrive at the front of the palace. In this section there are two buildings, namely Pancaratna and Pancaniti. The Mandekarang's main building in the Kasepuhan Palace complex is seen by the Wiyaga or Gamelan musicians discussing during the Sekati Gong beating processing on Eid al-Fitri 2014. The from Wiyaga ranks you can see Ki Wario or son of Ki Empek sitting on the far right, Ki Anandi and then Ki Encu. In the Siti Inggil complex, there are 5 buildings without walls which have their own names and function.
Mande Malang Semirang, the main building is located in the middle with 6 main pillars which symbolize the pillars of faith. And if you add up the total number of pillars, there are 20 pillars which symbolize the 20 characteristics of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. This building is where the Sultan saw soldier training or saw the executions of punishment. Manda Pendawa 5, a building to the left of the main building with 6 pillars which symbolize the pillars of Islam. This building houses the Sultan's personal bodyguards. Manda Semartinendu, a building to the right of the main building with 2 pillars symbolizing the 2 sentences of the creed. This building is the place of advisors to the Sultan or King Hulu. Mande Pengiring, the building behind the main building which houses the Sultan attendants, and Mande Karasemen, the building next to Mande Pengiring. This place is a place for tatabuhan or gamelan accompaniment. This building is still used to sound the Sekaten Gamelan or Gong Sekati. This gamelan is only played twice a year, namely during Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Regol Pengada is the exchange gate to the next yard, with a base length of 5 times 6.5 meters. This Paduakas happen that use stone and the door is made of wood. Gapura Bells is located to the east of Pangada Gate with a base length of 3.10 times 5 times 3 meters. This gate has the shape of a large quarry using a bridge. The Agung Langgar area is divided into two, namely the Pangada Yard and the Agung Langgar Yard, both of which are separated by a low wall. The main area of the Kasapuan Village. The Eljut building in the main area of the Kasapuan Village functions to serve as guests, record and report the interest to the Sultan. Dewandaru Park measuring 20 meters, this park is known as Bundaran Dewandaru Park because of its circular shapes. The philosophy of this park is that its shapes is round and circular without interruptions, meaning the wall. The name Dewandaru of Dewadaru, which is Cirebon, can be interpreted as Pinus Dewadaru Indonesia in Indonesia. The Dewadaru pine tree itself is related to the story of Ravana, who kidnapped to the goddess Sinta and hid in dark forest with grey Melilodra, Padmaka, and Dewadaru trees. The Museum of Ancient Objects, shaped like the letter A and located to the west of Dewandaru Park, functions as a strong palace for ancient objects from the Kasapuan Sultanate. The Train Museum, measuring 13.5 by 11 meters and located to east of Dewandaru Park, functions as a strong place for the Kasapuan Sultanate's golden trains. Manunggal Monument, a short stone measuring around 15 centimeters, surrounded by flower pots symbolizing the one Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Eljut, measuring 10 times 7 meters, is next to the Manunggal Monument and functions to serve guests in recording and reporting their affairs to the king.
Sri Manganti Square in shape is next to the Manunggal Monument. This building is open without walls, has a joglo shape, roof with roof tiles, and is supported by 4 Saka Guru pillars, 12 central pillars, and 12 older pillars. The ceiling is filled with white and brown carvings. This building functions as its name suggests, namely as a place to wait for the king's decision. The main palace building in where the Sultan carries out imperial activities. In this building there are several rooms with different functions, including in 1852, Prince Adiwijaya, who would later become the guardian of Pangeran Raja Satria, rebuilt and strengthened the Sunyaragi Cave water park. He employed an ethnic Chinese architect, but then the architect was arrested and forced to tell the ins and outs of Sunyaragi Cave Sari Park to the Dutch for later killed. The displeasure of activists at Taman Sari Gua Sunyaragi made Prince Adiwijaya order his subordinates and soldiers to prepare for all possibilities that might occur. Finally, the decision was taken to evacuate all weapons and soldiers out of Taman Sari Gua Sunyaragi, so that the Dutch attack that occurred later would not happen. Get nothing.